These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation and have a 13.4 SEER cooling efficiency with an 81% AFUE heating efficiency. They use a wire mesh protection for the condenser coil, which doesn't do much as far as protecting the coil, and R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as R32. They use aluminized steel tubular heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The WPG4 models can either be slab-mounted or easily field-converted for rooftop installation, but they are relatively loud in operation with sound levels roughly equivalent to that of an alarm clock, and the guarantee is not as good as many other brands. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.